Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we used date and time expressions in Power Automate. In this video, we will use Copilot to create expressions. We will go to Power Automate, create an instant cloud flow, manually trigger a flow, and name it. We will use an input parameter as text type. The name of the input parameter is full name. We will split this full name into first name and last name using expressions. Now we will add an action, search for Outlook, choose send an email V2. Here we will use the full name input parameter. In the email body, we will use Copilot to generate expressions. Here we will write which type of expressions we want from Copilot and it will return the value. Now we will use this expression and add it. Similarly for the last name, we will replace first by last and save it. Now we will save and test this flow. Now we can clearly see our flow ran successfully and we have successfully received this email in the proper format. That means our flow created successfully. And that's it. We have successfully created this flow. In the next video, we will learn how to use conditions in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.